I think we bit off more than we could chew.
On this week's episode of When Animals Attack, hi everyone, welcome back again.
To all our little pine cones and pine needles, welcome back to the Life in Pines.
So glad you're here.
Yep. We just got to the house. We dropped our youngest daughter off at
Bible camp for a whole week.
week.
She's gone, so CJ's only child in it for a whole week.
We're gonna put him to work.
We're putting him to work today because today, what do we got going on today, hon?
Today we are gonna start tackling just yet again another huge project.
Definitely.
And it is the kitchen cabinets.
Yes, so the kitchen cabinets, they're metal kitchen cabinets that were here original to the house when we bought it. I don't think they're original to the original house. I think they're from the 50s. They're in less than optimal condition. They're dirty and disgusting. They're gonna need to be cleaned. They're gonna need to be repaired,
Grinded.
They're gonna need to be grinded, rust inhibitor put on them, and they potentially might need to be modified.
Yeah. Again, just more than you can chew. Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
We've done everything so far. We can do this too.
It's a beautiful day. We brought Muscle McGee over here. We're gonna haul all of the cabinets
Outside.
It's so nice. We don't want to be in that dark, dirty basement.
No, we don't.
We want to be out here. So we're gonna try to clean them. We brought a bucket full of
Cleaner
stuff, vinegar, baking soda. We
scrub
just stopped.
brushes.
And we're just gonna see what we can do.
Yep.
So we can, yeah.
That's what we're doing today.
We're doing it. I think we bit off more than we could chew. What do you think?
100%.
We don't have an option though. We can't afford to buy new cabinets.
This is already disgusting and overwhelming. Okay, but let's get going. Put bump on our gums. CJ picked the wrong day to come with us, that's for sure. He's gonna be wishing he didn't come today.
You gonna be wishing you didn't come today? You need a haircut. This is not fun. It's not fun, but whatever. It's working.
At least we're outside and we're in the sun and it's warm.
We kind of have a system. After about a half an hour of fiddling around, the stuff that makes it to the deck is clean. All down here has been either pre-washed, pre-scrubbed, and then once it gets the final rinse, then it goes up on the deck.
That's what we're doing.
Just keep picking away. Just keep swimming, right? One piece at a time.
Just like that Johnny Cash song.
And it didn't cost me a dime. I mean, they're in rough shape, but they're 50 years old.
It's not the year 2000 anymore, honey. 70 years old.
70 years old. 19 something. July 19.
It looks like 31, but that can't be true. Okay, so we just got done cleaning all of these. That was a chore, but we did it.
Yeah. Hindsight's 20/20 all the time.
Definitely would have just bought a high strength degreaser, let it sit for 10 minutes, then gone back through and rinsed it with the hose. the same result happened. Like, they're clean, but it was just a lot more work for us.
A lot of elbow grease was used.
So much. So now Teddy is just going to...
Just take a grinder and just see. There's a lot of rust spots, and we want to just see what's going to happen when I take the grinder to it and just try to buff that out. And then we need to figure out what we want to use for a rust inhibitor. So we're going to research that. I have researched refinishing metal cabinets a lot. There are not many videos on it out there. And definitely, I haven't found anything. I haven't looked for a while, but I haven't found anything that goes over how to refinish cabinets in this bad of shape. So we're learning as we go, as usual. Wait, why are we taking the guard off? I think it's just gonna be easier. And this is like a sanding thing. It's not like it's a cut your face off type of thing.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. That worked, don't you? I mean, that feels good.
It seems like it.
I mean, this should even, like, I know I saw some places where there was paint drips, like from the previous paint job. Like, see this? Father God, we come to you this morning, and we just truly thank you for this beautiful day that you provided for us. Thank you for the sun that's shining.
All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. We're here. It's the next day.
Yeah, we went to Menards this morning. We got what we think is the supplies that we need for today's project.
Which is basically step 2 in the cabinet restoration.
Yeah. So we're going to do this as like the prelim to the cabinets. Going to sand them down.
Just smooth everything out, like smooth all the rust out. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to be the rattle can girl. Get them all.
Rust reformed?
Get the rust reformed.
Yeah. This can says that you don't even need to do what we're doing. You can just go right over the top, but we're going to just do it.
We just want them to look smooth
yeah.
and as good as they possibly can. Because like we said yesterday, like they're not in the greatest condition. Like far from good, good from far.
Yeah.
So.
But yeah, so I'm going to do that here as soon as I'm done with hitting all the rust spots with the grinder. Then we're going to move them to the tarp, and then Jenna can paint. We'll let them dry, and then we can move them back downstairs where we will finish the rest of the painting process. So,
yep. So that's what we're doing today.
That's what we're doing today. Beautiful day. It didn't rain last night, so
it's all good. Yeah. I like those safety glasses on you.
And a chainsaw and safety glasses.
You look good in them. I don't like this invasion.
The what?
You guys, who out there has pine beetles? These things are so scary. They fly, they bite. That's the second attack of the day. Get rid of it, honey.
I heard the screams over the sander.
You gotta find it, don't you hide it. You don't need to run.
attacked 3 times.
See it.
That's a big one. On this week's episode of When Animals Attack,
Darn it. Okay, I give up.
Please just kill it. Last time you released it, it came back. I mean...
Oh!
See?
He almost bit me. It feels like it's all over me now.
That's what you get for trying to scare me with it.
Okay, let's get back to work.
How can you work in these conditions, honestly? This one might just need some contact paper in it. This is one of the rustiest ones. We'll see.
Is there a nest around here or something?
I don't even see a pine tree, for goodness sakes.
Where is it?
It's on that one, right here. Oh my god!
He's coming for me.
There's another one! There's 2 now. There's 3. Oh my gosh, I can't. Honestly, I've never seen this many, and I've never seen this many in town. In it too. Oh my gosh. You're gonna have to. There's another one.
Is this like number 5?
Get it, hon. Oh.
Boy, it would have been nice if that would have been white stuff, huh?
That would have been, yeah, really nice. But it's making me rethink what color I'm gonna paint these bad boys. Tell you that.
Going black?
Probably not black, but I'm thinking way darker than I was.
Now for our greatest attraction. Another pine beetle. Just chilling.
Oh, those things are the worst. Last section. We've still been battling the pine beetles every couple minutes. There is one on your back. There's one on your back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I missed. I didn't get it. Oh. Oh, okay. It flew away.
What is with them?
Okay, so we've come inside to take refuge from the attack of the pine beetles. Because we came down to kind of just reconfigure the basement down here so that we could kind of make a little painting studio for all these cabinets. And yeah, so we're just gonna get it cleaned up. It's nice and cool in here and free of the nasty, stinking, rotten, biting, flying pine beetles. Okay, we just got home. We're hungry, we're hot, we're tired, and dirty.
But that step is done. We were able to finish painting with the
Whatever.
rust remedy or whatever it was.
What the heck is that called? Ratifier. No.
No. Remediator.
What is it called?
Revolver.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's been a
long day.
Whew.
But we were able to get the basement clean. We're just home for now for lunch. We're gonna have some lunch, pick up CJ, go back to the house, bring all those cabinets back downstairs where there are the elements, there's no wind, and we can start painting.
There's no pine beetles.
And there's no pine beetles down there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
I'm
interesting.
still trying to think of what that stuff's called.
Rust.
It starts with an R.
Let me check the text message from Jim. Reformer.
Oh, reformer. Rust
reformer.
I think we were calling it inhibitor yesterday,
Yeah.
in which, I mean, there is
It's
that too,
similar
but it's
stuff, but-
reformer. Rust reformer.
Looks like a bunch of dairy cows. So you're gonna paint them black?
I wish.
Williams. This is Travis.
Hi, I am calling. I have some questions about painting like metal cabinets. Like what kind of products you guys have for doing that?
Sun is shining bright and it's going my way. Birds in the sky and I'm singing it loud. Love is all around and I'm floating away with you. And I'm floating away with you. Throw my hands up, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining bright and it's going my way. Birds in the sky and I'm singing it loud. Love is all around and I'm floating away. Love is all around and I'm floating away with you. Love is all around and I'm floating away with you.
So awkward.
It's so awkward.
The kitchen cabinet.
That's my hand.
Okay, so as you can imagine, it's going about
Smooth as stucco bathtub,
as
Jim would say.
smooth as a stucco bathtub. That's a good one.
And